Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. Today I will show you how to paint this easy cloud painting using just two colors. For the paper I am using this brown sketchbook from Ayush paper. It works great for gouache and the best part is that its pages are thick enough to add multiple layers of colors. For the colors I am using titanium white and sky blue jelly gouache. I will link all the products that I used in this video in the description box below. I will start by color blocking the cloud using titanium white and flat brush. You can also use a pencil for this step. Next, I will make a light blue color by mixing titanium white and sky blue and apply to the rest of the paper. I am using diluted color for this step. Once the whole sky is done, I will apply another layer of the same color, but the color is less diluted this time. This will give us an even and opaque background. Now I will paint the cloud using pure titanium white. First, using a flat brush, I will block the main shape of the cloud. And using the side of this angled brush and the dry brush technique, I will give some shape to the cloud. Now switching to a small round brush, I will refine the edges of the cloud, blend some areas into the sky and make some areas stand out more. Using the same brush, I am also adding another layer of white in the middle of the cloud to make it more bright. And I will repeat these steps until I am happy with the look of the cloud. And with that, our painting is done. If you painted along with me, do let me know in the comments, or you can also share your recreation on Instagram and tag me. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then do give it a like. I will see you next time. Bye.